Okay, hello dear friends. Good. Let's enjoy a good looser unboxing. Okay, so here it is. Ooh. 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 I should see the other side actually. Let's see the other side. This side should be the good side. Ta-da! Ta-da! 有这么多颜色色。Okay, this you have seen a gazillion times. Oh, this is a little bit. A little bit. Oh, there is a special little gift. This is a little gift. Haha. Oh, I have never tried this one. Ooh. Cocoa truffle, caramel, crème brûlée. Oula. Okay. Vivaldo Longo. But this is okay. Okay, so I will explain again one more time. And I think every time when I do this looser unboxing, I will explain. And sometimes I got friends say, why do you say looser unboxing? Because it does not seem a loser. It comes from when before I have seen a lot of YouTubers and showing something, they got a company sponsor them because they are a successful YouTuber, so they get free stuff to try out. And I never got that chance, so I buy things and open it up, so I'm a loser in that sense. But later on, or winner opportunity, so I was thinking, why not keep this loser unboxing name? Because it used to be a sour jealousy, a salty jealousy. Now it becomes kind of a light-hearted joke. And also, every time, if you have seen my video, every time any loser unboxing is the best respect for the company who produce it, because I am spending my money. One friend said, you are losing your money to buy it. It is true. I am spending my money. I am putting a negative on my account to buy the product from that company. That is the best ultimate praise for that company. So I will keep this loser unboxing so that you will know that is something that I bought, I love, in difference with something that was gifted to me, and and I am in my way of helping that company to become a big company, or helping them to promote. You know what I'm talking about. Do not be afraid of commerce. Do not be afraid of, or do not be against of commercialization or commerce. Any product behind it is your son, is your brother, is your sister, is your mom, your dad, your daughter working on it, right? Everything deserves respect. Big corporate is another thing, but even big corporate are composed of people who work. The nature of it is a little bit different. We will not talk about it, okay? We just enjoy this. Oh, I almost let it fall down because it's almost forgot. So, okay, bring it down. We can take a good look. So, let's open it up. What is that? Is that ink? Ooh. Let's see what we got. Ooh, it's a cup. Oh my goodness, it looks like double layer. Oh, this is a thumb, and these are fingers. Oh, the Italian design. Is that the Italian design? Who made this design? Is that Alessio? These recipe class are intended for coffee-based recipe. Always proceed with caution when handling hot liquid and keep out of children's reach. Clean before use. Okay, I will do that. Children, okay. Oh, there is no mention about who made that design. Made in France. Ooh. French design. It's kind of fun, right? It can be used for hot drinks, because Nespresso has hot drinks. Maybe we will try it. And for tea, for coffee, cappuccino. Good size. Let me take off my glass so I can see it in different size. And your thumb is here, and ooh, this finger going in, go up, go in. That's quite an interesting. A little teeny tiny little bit large for me, but no, not too large. Still quite large. But it's a very interesting touch. If without it, you do feel that you are treated your hand. Oh, I love it. Okay, a pair of these glasses. Okay, winner, chicken dinner. I think maybe we will do a winner for this. Anyway, not yet.